Ready? Everyone's watching me up there. All right, here we go. Well, hello and good morning. Today, we're just finishing up breakfast here, cleaning up everything. We're gonna get the Jeep all packed up, and then we're gonna head over to those waterfalls that I was talking about yesterday. So that's gonna sound like a good plan for me today. Go to some waterfalls, and then depends how long we stay there, but we might go to Crater Lake today. And I forgot, but this, like, we camped right here. Look at these trees. You ever seen more perfect hammock trees? I should have put it up last night, but I didn't think about it. So we might even come back to this spot tonight. It was really good. It was a really nice spot. No one really came by on the road. So we'll see, but I'm gonna pack up all my stuff here and then let's head over to those waterfalls. Yep, I think we found it. The guy said that there was a big tube with water coming out. So hopefully it doesn't like bust all the way and drown the Jeep, you know what I mean? That'd be awesome. So I'm gonna change and we're gonna go head towards it and check it out. Alright, this is good around this area. It's only about a half a mile trail. Yeah, I don't know, a quarter mile I think it said. Either a quarter or a half, either way that's not that far. So that's good for me. And yeah, I don't really know what to expect. All they said was there's waterfalls and they're cool. And that was enough to get me to go check these out. So I don't really know what to expect. So whatever we do see is gonna be awesome. Okay, here it is. Pretty far away from it though. Is there a trail that gets down there?
I'm not sure. I know, according to the map, over this, where it went back down again, there was a way to get closer. That way go all the way down.
I might just go down the side right here. Get closer to it. Pretty cool though. Alright, it looks like there's a trail that goes down right here. Oh, I'm just talking to the camera.
Yeah.
It looks like there's a trail that goes down right here though.
Looks like people's that's what we're deployed, you know.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go down right now.
Do it and repel.
I think I'm gonna do it.
You think so?
Yeah. So I heard you can get down there and you can get up right up to the waterfall.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's what I want to do.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do it and try it out. So if you don't see me in about an hour, it's not safe.
Well,
there's no way I'm gonna fit through there with the backpack on. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Carefully.
Thank you.
We can do it.
Oh, here's the rope. All right, here's the rope that we had to hold on to go down. Should be good. All right. Fuck yeah. Okay. This is steep. Whoa. All right. I'm going down. Mom, I know you'd be freaking out if you saw me doing this, but it looked fun and I wanted to get a closer view. So we're doing this. It's really not that bad. It's just very steep. Heck yeah. Oh yes. Check it out. We freaking made it. Look at this. Right up to the waterfall. I'm probably gonna go around and jump in somewhere closer next to the waterfall so we can get a close-up view for the waterfall. It's awesome. That climb down was so steep though. Hopefully I can make it back up. This is awesome, we made it down. We're gonna walk over towards over there and then hopefully try to swim as close as we can to the waterfall. That's gonna be goal. If I don't fall before I get over there. Look at this thing. Waterfall's right there. Looks like the current's pretty crazy. So we're gonna jump in. I do not have my floating stick, so hopefully I don't drop you guys in there. That'd be just perfect if I didn't drop you guys. Looks like it's pretty deep enough to jump right here. What we're gonna do is just jump in and just swim over there, see how close we can get, and then probably just float back to our stuff. Yeah, put my feet in. It's a little bit cold, but either way, let's freaking do it. All right, here we go. I don't know why I'm scared to do this. It's not even that deep. It's just a huge waterfall. All right, let's do it either way. Ready? Everyone's watching me up there. All right, here we go. There's no way I can get close to that thing. Oh, the water's freezing though. Get out of here. Wow, that has got to be some of the coldest water I have been in. Wow, that was freezing. I'm gonna hang out here a little while. I'll get you guys some more shots of the waterfall, and I'll see you guys back at the Jeep. All right, we're back here at the Jeep. We're gonna get out of here and we're gonna head towards Diamond Lake and probably end up at Crater Falls tonight. So let's do it. Water's way warmer here. We're just pulling up to Crater Lake here, but it's a national park and I'm pretty sure this is a fee station up here, so let's see how much it is. If it's too much, we're not gonna go in because I really don't want to pay for it. So if it's like $5 or something like the other place, that's fine, but if it's expensive, we're not gonna check it out. Good, how are you? No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm just gonna turn around.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, all right, thanks.
Yeah, no, 25 is too much. Well, maybe we'll do Crater Lake some other time. But right now, $25 to get into a park that I'm not gonna stay at tonight is not good for me. So we're just gonna go find something else to do. I'm gonna go out to the road up here, it has signal, get on the interweb, and check out what we can go do. All right, so here's what we're doing. We are back at the same exact spot we stayed at last night. I'm thinking, it's around 4 right now, so I'm thinking we just stay here again, since it's such a nice spot, the water's right here. So we stay here again, and then tomorrow morning we just head back up into town, and then do all the maintenance. And we are running low on food, so I'm gonna have to pull up something here, see what I can make. But yeah. Wow guys, I thought I was recording the whole time. I put up the hammock, but I didn't record any of it. I came back, my camera was off. I thought I was recording the whole time, but there it is. Okay guys, I just had a very good sandwich, and I think I'm gonna hang out inside the hammock right now and just take a little nap. And then I'm right next to the water. This is pretty cool. So I'm gonna hang out here and I'll see you guys in a little while, see what we're gonna do. Alright, we're just getting up from our couple-hour nap. A few people pulled up to this spot and they wanted to take pictures of the lake because like this is like a really nice spot on the lake right here. So they kind of woke me up, but hey, I need to stop being lazy anyways. Alright, so here's what we got going on. We got a cup of coffee and some rice with some corn in it. It's about all I had, so it's gonna be it. But I'm gonna enjoy this view. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching.